In a Chapter 13, the first worry that people have is that they'll lose some property. They'll lose something that they have. They'll lose something that they're trying to attain. They'll lose something. My name is Dan Stavin. I'm an attorney practicing in Maryland, the District of Columbia, and the Commonwealth of Virginia. And this is our Frost Law series, Let's Talk Bankruptcy. Now, you may be worried about whether or not you're going to lose those things just by talking to the attorney or by being in a Chapter 13, and that couldn't be further from the truth. The goal in any sort of bankruptcy case that I would file, the goal is to keep the property that you have, keep all the property that you want to have, and be able to get a fresh start in bankruptcy. With regard to a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, this is a reorganization. You will have to make payments, but you have a significant amount of flexibility to be able to make those payments. Now, each situation is different. Again, your particular facts dictate how this situation is going to work out. Things that you need to think about before talking to a Chapter 13 attorney like myself would be your asset situation. Do you have any assets of any value? More times than not, the most important asset that any one person has is a home. Do you have any equity in that home? Are you behind on payments in that home? Do you have anything else that is of value? Any collectibles, any type of old baseball cards or anything of that sort? Do you owe taxes? Now, these topics are pretty specific, and we'll be doing additional videos to drill down on those particular issues. But fundamentally, a Chapter 13 works out for an individual far better than a Chapter 7, and it works out in such a way that allows you to keep the property that you have, and allows you to stay in your home, and allows you, in fact, another future video will cover issues related to priority debt. And how paying those priority debts can help save you from having to pay additional payments to any unsecured debts. We will discuss in future videos issues related to home mortgages and whether or not you're behind and how that plays out in a Chapter 13. We will deal with back taxes and the priority of those taxes and how those things work out in a Chapter 13. We'll talk specifically about budgeting and how that works out in a Chapter 13 case. But we just really want to talk about that case, bankruptcy case can work out for you. Your facts, again, are very important in the determination of a Chapter 13 bankruptcy case and how that works out for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, comment below, or subscribe to the Frost Law channel for future content in the Let's Talk Bankruptcy series. Thanks for watching.